Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the gun safe and visible. Disconnect power and take out the label roll and battery so you can work freely. Next, inspect the nozzle, feed roller, and needle. You want to find clogs or hardened glue because those cause jams. Use a soft brush and pick to loosen debris, then apply isopropyl cleaner to dissolve residue. Do this sparingly to avoid electronics. Once done, set parts in order so reassembly will be straightforward. You now dig into the feed path. Remove panels and note screw positions so reassembly matches. Clean rollers and guides thoroughly because sticky buildup alters tension. Wipe sensor windows so detection is reliable. If rollers are worn, replace them. Small grooves cause misfeeds. Reassemble parts loosely, then run a dry label feed to observe alignment and tension under operation. Make incremental adjustments to the guide plate and spring tension until labels track straight and sensors trigger consistent. Finish by trimming any frayed label edges and confirming label dimensions in your settings because mismatched sizes cause failures. Tighten fasteners, replace batteries, then reload the roll and run a test print to verify registration and adhesion. If labels still jam, inspect the platen for wear and the printing needle or feed wheel for damage. Replace worn components. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, swap in a known good label roll and battery. That isolates whether consumables or hardware are at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.